This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of Treasury Wine Estates Limited, ticker TWE.ASX, listed on CBOE AUS. Treasury Wine Estates is a major Australian wine producer and distributor. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You will need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and enter the ticker symbol TWE.ASX to find the listing. Double-check that the result refers to Treasury Wine Estates Limited on CBOE AUS. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the issuer name and ticker to ensure you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review order type and any fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. Check the description below for the link to eToro if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.